want to trim it. We aren't currently utilizing it at the moment anyway. Yes, folks. Let me tell you something. Let's all take a look together. Friends, there is a select ID potentiometer here. You have the ability to set the ID value and can make adjustments ranging from 0 to 99. All values are permissible within this range. With this button, friends, when you select the All section, you will see all metals. That is, independent of the ID. You will see all metals and can navigate in any direction. We highly recommend that professionals prioritize utilizing this to a greater extent in their work endeavors. When you click the ID button, friends, it will target the metal corresponding to the ID you set with this potentiometer. If you desire to determine the value of gold, you can certainly locate it within the user manual accessible on our website. The range typically falls between 94 and 97. You can verify it by specifying the ID and locating it. To show, we pull our device up. Upon opening, we warmly welcome you to Extreme. At this point, you will be able to see the ID. You will see the select ID value, friends. This, selecting all, will show all the available metals in the display view. And when we make this part metal, folks, if we select this side as OL and the other as metal, it will show all metals. Friends, when we switch this side to space, meaning empty mode, our device effectively detects the empty space. You can detect empty space up to a depth of 15 meters with a diameter of 100 meters, friends. Besides him, here, when you select the metal setting, friends, let me give you an example. You can adjust it by increasing or decreasing from this point. Let's go. "94 usually corresponds to 96 and 97. You can make this clearer by testing the device ID yourself. You can detect it, place it below, pass over it, and test it. We'll show this in our videos. Friends, this is in the receiver. The settings and usage are this easy, friends. There's nothing complicated. Also, we picked 97. Friends, I would like to demonstrate the other transmitter unit to you at this moment. I will show you the other unit as well. Friends, there is a situation like this in this unit as well. Look, likewise, start button. Okay? We are there. The provider, receiver in our unit, we had chosen 97. The value is gold, friends. Here too, similarly, 97. When we choose friends, pick 97. This is power, friends. It mainly serves to enhance the pulling strength. 2 inputs are here. You can use these 2 inputs, friends. You link your probes. You push them into the ground with a cable. The cables. And probes, my friends. When you connect it this way, when you attach it, we will insert our device into the ground this way, friends. We will push our device into the ground like this. We'll wait for 10 minutes. It is important for that ID value to be underground. That is, the metal with that ID value. What is it? Gold. It is important for that gold to be underground. Currently, for instance, we are attempting to test by putting gold and silver on one side. But this, friends, is a transmitter unit that has been underground for many years, including gold. It will detect buried metal like gold of higher quality after years. The receiver unit will indicate to you the direction, friends. It will point you in this way. When you head that way, it will definitely give another signal, and you will truly be operating a professional level metal detector in an unfamiliar area, possibly a place with much greater potential. At a site, you can uncover fantastic minerals. You will find them underground. Yes, the Extreme Pronitron can be a metal detector, but it doesn't only cater to treasure hunters. We've always said this. Also, it is a device we take pride in that professional mineral researchers can also use. We do not sell our device. We will not consider it successful until the results are confirmed through field testing. Our device is currently for sale and has passed all its tests. Using the Extreme Pronitron, you will experience finding gold in the field, and you will realize that it's not as simple as using this device. You will notice